LJ Kids World. ABC Song.
A is for apple, juicy and sweet. B is for ball, bouncing on your feet. C is for car, zooming down the street. D is for drum with a rhythmic beat. E is for elephant, big and grand. F is for flag, waving in the sand. G is for guitar, strumming a song. H is for hat, wearing it strong. I is for igloo, chilly and cold. J is for jelly, wobbly and bold. K is for kite, flying up high. L is for leaf, floating in the sky. M is for moon, glowing at night. N is for nest, soft and light. O is for octopus, swimming below. P is for pillow, fluffy and slow. Q is for quilt, cozy and warm. R is for rocket, blasting from the storm. S is for shoes, ready to race. T is for tiger, quick in the chase. U is for unicorn, magical and bright. V is for volcano, erupting in light. W is for whale, splashing the sea. X is for xylophone, playing with glee. I is for yo-yo, spinning around. Z is for zebra, running on the ground. Now we know our ABC. Sing it loud, come dance with me. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Next time, won't you sing with me?
LJ Kids World.